In this video, I'm going to show you how to reset your Verizon router. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so there's a couple of different ways how we can do this. So the first way is going to be a reboot, which is a soft reset. And the second way is going to be a factory reset, which is a hard reset. So I'm going to go through the first method, which is a reboot, a soft reset. So now you want to go ahead and use your soft reset if you're experiencing connectivity issues like slow speeds or drop Wi-Fi, but don't want to raise your settings. Alright, in order to do this, we want to go ahead and unplug the router from the power. So on the back of the unit, you will see a power cable. Go ahead and unplug that and then wait about 1 minute, then plug it back in. Then from here, wait 1 to 3 minutes for it to fully restart and reconnect. Alright, the next method is a factory reset, which is a hard reset. So you want to use this if you've forgotten your admin Wi-Fi password or want to restore it to factory default settings. So we need to go ahead and ensure that the router is powered on. Powered LED light should be steady. And now on the back of the unit, you're going to see a small little reset pinhole on the back or the bottom of the unit. Now from here, we want to go ahead and use a paper clip or a toothpick to press and hold that reset button for roughly 15 seconds. Release and wait, so LEDs will blink during this, then stabilize once done, and then around 1 to 5 minutes later the router will fully reboot with factory default settings restored.